Hi everybody, I hope you're having a fabulous Friday. I am about to prepare some lamb rib chops. I got the butter sizzling and I think I want to season it with, let me slide back so y'all can see my seasoning cabinet. I'm going to use some accent. I am going to use Lawry seasoning salt, and I'm going to use some complete seasoning, and I almost burnt the butter up. And I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, you want some? Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's get to seasoning. I'm going to use accent first. I don't know if this is the right seasoning, but let me know what y'all use on y'all's. And some Badia. I'm going to be very generous with the Badia. I think I'm going to flip it over. And I washed my hands already. And I'm eating this, so I don't worry about all that. Because y'all go in. Which one I didn't use? I'm not sure which the Worcestershire sauce go on these, but we're gonna use it anyway. Oops, my bad. Oh God. Maybe there was a sign that I wasn't supposed to use it. Anyway, we'll see how it turns out. And I gotta clean that mess up. Alright, I'm gonna put the butter back up there. Shoot, it ain't hot no more. Alright, I got a mess right here. Go ahead. I got some water boiling for my rice. And I use this, I'm going to use this rice, boiling the bad rice. So these are cooking pretty good. And I'm saying, anybody drink these? I tried them, they were so delicious. I think I need some garlic, but I'm not sure if I have any. I know I do, I just don't feel like looking for it. I think I flipped that over too quick. This is how my chops are looking so far. A little accent. I'll add a little more accent. Oh, there's too much accent. My God. How did I do that? Look how much accent I add right there. Oh my God. Cook that off a little bit. I'll pour a little bit of this in here. I'm not sure what this is going to taste like, but we're going to try it anyway. I'm going to drop a few little onions in there that I cut up. Ooh, that one looks good. It's crispy on the outside. And y'all, guess what? I got the rice in here and forgot to turn the stove on. But I'm gonna try to stand that one up because this one got a lot of fat on the back side. They look good so far. What do y'all think? Let me stand up so that the fat can cook a little bit. It's not much, but I want to make sure that's done. And we're going to pair this with some vegetables. I'm going to open a can of tomatoes, okra, and corn and pair that with the rice and the meat. I used some butter that I got from Walmart. And it's unsalted. I'll just throw that in there. It smells so good. And I know that you're not supposed to cook these very long, so I am going to turn these down because I don't want them to get hard. Oh, God. I am literally dropping everything. It'll be okay. It went back in the heat. Alright, I'm going to run over to the sink for a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so I turned these down on low because they are pretty much done. Yeah, they're pretty much done. I don't want to really overcook them and then they'd be too hard to eat. I got the stove down on low. As you can see, I don't know why it's cooking that hard. And I just keep basting it. And flipping them over because I want that crunch to be on both sides. Huh? Jordan? They look delicious. Alright. I'll put a picture up in our plate. Bye.